Hey sweet friends, let's make this edible double chocolate chip sugar-free cookie dough. First we're going to add 5 tablespoons of flour to a bowl, and we're going to pop that in the microwave, and we're going to microwave for 1 minute, and that's going to kill the bacteria. Then we're going to add an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir that in, and then we're adding 3 tablespoons of SumSweet plus granular, 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk, but we only had heavy whipping cream. And now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Stir everything together, mix it, mix it, mix it. And don't worry if you didn't get the recipe. It's at the end of the video. Keep mixing. And once that's all mixed together, we're going to add in our chocolate chips. And that's going to be 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. And continue mixing, and let's get ready to scoop this out. Look at that. Edible double chocolate chip sugar-free cookie dough. And you can get our chocolate chips made with SumSweet and SumSweet Plus and SumSweet Plus Brown at SumSweet.com. And leave us a comment and let us know which one's your favorite.